Are you thinking of going on a safari in Africa, but not sure how long your trip should last? Well, we've got some tips for you. The first thing to consider is the duration of your safari trip. You want to make sure you have enough time to cover all the activities you want to do. It's also best to book your airfare well in advance to save money. If you have the time and budget, we highly recommend visiting multiple parks in different countries. For instance, you can group activities in adjacent areas in northern Tanzania or Kenya, or extend your trip to see the mountain gorillas in Bwindi in Uganda or Volcanoes National Park in Rwanda. Your age and health are also important factors to consider when planning your safari trip. Remember that this is a wilderness trip, and it's essential to strike a balance between the desired activities and your physical capabilities. Costs are also a factor, and if you have enough money to spend on your trip, then we do recommend considering visiting multiple countries in Africa with varied experiences to get the most out of your African safari adventure. With so much to choose from, selecting the right activities can be overwhelming. Combining an exhilarating experience, such as a wilderness safari in Masai Mara or trekking in the foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro, and a safari in Serengeti, with a relaxing beach location on the islands of Zanzibar, can be an excellent way to unwind after an active safari trip. Other activities to consider include horse riding, ballooning, whitewater rafting, specialist birdwatching, photography, fishing, scuba diving, mountain climbing and trekking, wildlife game viewing, walking safaris, cultural and historical tours. In summary, planning a safari trip to Africa requires careful consideration of various factors such as budget, travel preferences, health, and age. Opting for a longer safari with varied experiences, proper planning of logistics, and selecting the right activities can make your journey memorable and enjoyable.